Hello children, today I am going to start your first lesson, The Blue Sky. Dear children, many things happened in the sky. A few are given here for you. Uh, Here are statements and pictures. You can see pictures are here. Pictures. You need to match the statement with the picture. I already matched the picture with their statement, but yes, you need to understand what the statement is telling. So I know you have seen the sky already. Every day you are looking above in the sky and you observing things what is happening around us. So first sentence is before reading the first sentence, you can see here the beautiful sky above us has many things to see. Some are seen during the day and others at night. कुछ दिन में दिखती हैं और कुछ रात में. तो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज मैच मी. मैच मी मुझे जोड़िए. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज आई एम अ ह्यूज बॉल ऑफ फायर. यू सी मी ड्यूरिंग द डे. आई गिव लाइट एंड हीट. डे टाइम you can see means this is means sentence is telling about uh, about his specialty. सो आई एम अ ह्यूज बॉल ऑफ फायर. मैं आग का एक बड़ा गोला हूँ. आप मुझे डे टाइम में देख सकते हैं. सो व्हाट आई एम, डेफिनेटली इट विल बी सन. सो आंसर इज 5. 5. वेयर इज 5? Sorry, no, sorry, here 1. Where is sun? Sun is here. So sentence number 1, answer of sentence number 1 is sun. Now second, I am a beautiful ball in the sky. You see me at night. Most mothers feed their babies, showing my pretty face. I am a beautiful ball in the sky. You can see a beautiful ball-shaped planet. It's not a planet, but it's a, a subplanet of Earth. उपग्रह हम जिसको कहते हैं, पृथ्वी का उपग्रह. You see me at night. Most mother feeds their babies, showing my pretty face. मैं एक खूबसूरत बॉल हूँ आकाश में, रात को दिखती हूँ. और बहुत सी माएँ क्या हैं अपने बच्चों को दूध देती हैं मेरा चेहरा देख के. यू गेस? यस, इट्स योर चंदा मामा, लवली मून. सो वेयर इज मून? मून इज हियर 2. सो आंसर इज हियर 2. Moon, you can see moon. Answer of sentence number 2, statement 2. Number 3, I look small and I am far away from you. I twinkle and wink at you. I have a big family and you can't count us. You cannot count us. I look small. मैं छोटा दिखता हूँ और मैं आपसे बहुत दूर हूँ. I twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. You have learned, you remember the poem? Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle and wink at you. मैं चमकता हूँ और आई हैव अ बिग फैमिली. और मेरे पास जो है मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा परिवार है. यू कांट काउंट अस मीन्स यू कांट काउंट सिंपली. सो ट्विंकल ट्विंकल, यस. सो स्टार्स, हियर इज द स्टार्स. नंबर 3 you can match. Number 4, we are huge balls of cotton. We are white and gray in color. We keep moving in the sky and bring rain. Who bring rain for us? Yes, cloud is the correct answer. So you can see cloud. Number 4. Number 5, I am the princess of the sky. I am dressed in 7 colors. I come out when the rain stops. So what come out? When the rain stops, dear children, after stopping the rain, rainbow comes out. So you can see rainbow. Sentence number 5's answer is rainbow. Next is 6. I am a flashlight from heaven. People avoid seeing me directly. So here is lightning. You can see lightning. It's a natural happening. Next is 7th. I scare you with my loud roaring sound. I come out from the clouds when it rains. I am a sorry, it's a 8th one, huh? 7th one. So it's a storm. When thunderstorm come, then it's a kind of lightning when a storm, rain and a storm come together. Next, 8. I am a planet. I revolve around the sun. You live on me. मैं एक ग्रह हूँ. I revolve around the sun. मैं जो है revolve means होता है बेटा परिक्रमा करना. तो I revolve around the sun. You live on me. So it's our planet Earth. Earth is here. Earth is here. Yes. Here is a satellite. Our satellite planet is moon. So you can see here moon and earth. Next, now you can see fact file. Jupiter is the largest planet. Here Jupiter is a largest planet of solar system. बृहस्पति भी इसको कहते हैं. तो Jupiter is the largest planet of solar system. Clouds which give us rain are called nimbus. Clouds those give us which give us rain are called nimbus. So this is all about the blue sky. This much is enough for you. Thank you class. Thank you for watching and learn and the lesson. Same will be homework. Homework will be for 2 days. 4 sentences a day and 4 next day. Thank you.